Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavre from Gossipfunda. Let us have a look at how to use SharePlay via messages, for which you need to go to the application from where your music is being playing, and you click on the settings of that application, and then you click on SharePlay and then select the contacts whichever you want to add or message during playing the song, and then you have to message them and send the message like join in the SharePlay, and then you can there are many options which you can click on. Once after pressing start, you can either click on the messaging symbol to go back to the message window, or else you can long press on this on the SharePlay screen and then press on anywhere at the screen to close this tab. And you have many other options, or else you can press the cross which will end the SharePlay. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing content, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.